Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today is going to be another tutorial. Now this is my everyday makeup look and it's a little more elevated. It's what I wear whenever I create content. So if I'm filming, getting photos taken, anytime I'm just in front of a camera, this is my go-to look. So if you want to see it, keep on watching. Skin's already prepped, but I really want to talk about this product. I know I've mentioned it before. It's the Cosmetics Face Cuddle Moisture Balm. I don't really like using this on my face since I'm oily, but on my chest, look at that glow. There's no shimmer in it, but I love putting it on my chest and on my shoulders because it looks so amazing. Look at that, guys. My skin looks like it hasn't been battling the winter cold, even though it has. I thought I mentioned that even though it didn't work for my face. Going in with the glowy product, this one's by Milani. This is the Soft Focus Glow. I like putting this almost all over my face, like almost. It feels like a lotion to me. But this one I recently started enjoying again. I had it in my collection and I've been liking just the slight glow it gives. Although I'm not too picky with primers, I recently reviewed the new e.l.f. primer. This is the Power Grip primer. I've been really enjoying it. I've been using it almost every single time I wear makeup. It's lightweight, a bit tacky, and it just makes my foundation cling a lot better, and all my cream products as well. Ever since I discovered this foundation, it has been my go-to. It's by Loreal. It's the Age Perfect Radiant Serum Foundation and it has broad spectrum SPF 50. Not too many people talk about it. They did initially when it came out, but then after that everyone stopped, but I'm still really enjoying it. It gives me light to medium coverage. It's very liquidy. It feels lightweight. Eyeshadow primer, obviously the Ulta one. Can't stop talking about this one. Since this foundation didn't cover up everything and I am breaking out a little bit, I am going to go in with the Merit foundation stick. This is another product that I can't stop talking about. It is so good. I use this product multiple times a week and it's always for any kind of bumps I have or scars. It does such a great job at covering them up. This concealer I actually discovered from Daisy Cash. She's one of my favorite YouTubers and it's so nice. It's the Radiant Cream Concealer by Neutrogena. I didn't think I'd be able to find my shade because this is the second lightest. It does have enough warm undertones for me. This is the only contour stick that I've been using for the last 2 months, ever since I did a full-line review of Cosmetics. It's the So Soft in Terra. It's so good, so creamy and very easy to blend, and I feel like I've barely used it even though I wear it most days. It's a little bit harder to do my hair today since I have all these rollers in. You really don't need another contour stick if you have that one. Softening my nose contour with a sponge that has the foundation on it really helps. What people don't talk about with all these nose contours, the ones that are extreme, they look really beautiful when you're looking at them from the front, but then when you're looking at them from the side, it looks so ridiculous. So a trick is to use a sponge and just to pat it in so it looks a little more natural. To set everything, we go in with the Laura Mercier translucent powder in Honey. This is the only powder that I've been using for the last month. It does a good job. It's not heavy and my pores don't look as big when I wear this. And I love doing this trick on little bumps so that foundation stick doesn't move, just like that, and it will last all day. Then I just lightly dust off the excess powder. Since I already have this in my hands, I'm gonna go in with blush. This is the Cosmetics Heaven's Glow in Magic Hour. It's a peach blush, really beautiful. It has a bit of shimmer to it and I kind of rediscovered this shade and it's so pretty, and I like using a powder blush when I'm having long days of just like filming, going to see my mom at night. It just lasts all day and I don't have to worry about it. Isn't this blush so pretty, and it's gonna go so nicely with the lip product. For brows, you guys already know my brow routine. I already put some in, so I'm just gonna fix them since I added powder to my face. This one is truly the best of the best. It's hard to compete with this one. Filling them in with the Urban Decay Brow Blade. See that difference? It's as if I have thick brows and I love it. Sometimes I'll add a gel that has some pigment to it just to define them even more, but I want them to be more natural. I'm really having a good brow day. I really like the brows. They look pretty even. I'm feeling good about this. I'm going out of my usual order, but I really want to add some lip products. These two have been my go-to, starting with the Cosmetics lip liner in Fawn. Teddy is my go-to, which is a warm nude. But ever since I did my Cosmetics video, I discovered Fawn and I want to add it to my collection, and this is seriously the perfect nudie pink on my lips. If my lip color was in a liner, this would be it, and it's Fawn. So I'm going to show you guys the difference of adding this lip liner and how natural looking it is. And you tell me if you can see much of a difference, because you might not even be able to tell that I'm wearing lip liner. And I think that's what makes the Cosmetics lip liner so special. Can you even tell? It just gives that soft blurred line. Really beautiful and very natural looking. Over that, I'm going to add some lip lip gloss. This is the Maybelline Lifter Gloss in Amber. This has been another go-to of mine. This combination is perfect for my lips. You know I love a one and done eyeshadow. Actually, one of you introduced me to this. This is the Revlon Color Stay Cream Eyeshadow in Caramel. This is so easy to apply on, and my one and done eyeshadow video, affordable and high-end, should be coming out within the next couple of weeks. That's when I'm planning to film it. So I'm really excited for those two videos, and this one is definitely going to be in it. And then I like using a brush just to blend out the edges. And if you guys have ever seen my other tutorials, I like to flick it out and up just to enhance my eye shape. I also like to apply a little bit under the eyes and connecting it in the outer corner. For a cream eyeshadow, this lasts a really long time, and then with that Ulta eyeshadow primer, it lasts even longer. Brown eyeliner is where it's at, so I'm going to tightline with the NYX retractable one first. Then I like to go in with an angled brush. I like to do this pretty quickly since this liner will dry and set, and I just create a little wing. And it's a bit smudgy and I like it that way, and I like how it's not perfect. Sometimes if I want to darken it up, I would go in with the NYX brown liner. This one is the Epic ink liner. It's one of my favorite brown liners because of the shade of brown. It's a really beautiful mid-tone brown. I'm just gonna apply a little bit to the lash line. Mascara time. Just gonna curl my lashes real quick. First going in with Essence. This is a mascara primer. Again, I've been loving brown makeup, so obviously I have to use a brown mascara. This one is by Neutrogena. I never used it with a primer before, so that is one thing that I'm testing out on the spot. Ever since that video, I thought this was just okay, and then I've been just wearing it more often and enjoying it way more. It makes my lashes a little bit clumpy, but it also makes my brown eyes just pop a little bit more and pulls all that brown makeup together. Just about done with to set the face using Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Setting Spray. I really should get sponsored by Cosmetics because I'm using another one of their products. They're that good, guys. This is the Moonbeam Cushion in Halo. I like using my fingers and just dabbing it on to the high points of my face. I'm just get these rollers out and finish my hair, and I'll show you guys the finished look. And this is the final look. This is my go-to everyday makeup look when I am creating content, filming myself, basically just showing up and being on camera. These are the products that I love to wear. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, like this video, subscribe to this channel for more fashion and beauty content. I'll see you in another video. Bye!